Here's our room here at Maximilian Hotel in Kawayan, Isabela. So we have our workstation, TV, lamps. Ayan. We have lamps. King size bed, luggage area, open cabinet, coffee station. There's a outside you can get water. There's a water station. Here's our full-length mirror. Here's our bathroom. Shower area. Big yung room, big ang bathroom.
Yun ipapasain. At itutuloy sa truck na basura. Wala kong gagalaw niyan.
Sa pangkalahatan, naging mapayapa naman ang pagkilita na puntas ayon
Glass
sa
door
Manila
siya.
Police District.
Buhat nung 31-1 today ay generally peaceful po na masasabi natin. Wala naman po nangyari ngayon toward the incident na nakaabala sa mga ating kababayan sa paglalaw nila sa mga mahal.
Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.